In this tutorial, we'll discuss the usage rules feature. This little used feature allows you to define scenarios in which access to particular payment methods or delivery methods may be restricted. For example, if you would like to only grant guest users the ability to utilize payment methods such as PayPal and restrict access to other payment methods. To demonstrate this, we're going to go to our delivery computation area. So whilst we're going to demonstrate this on delivery computation, it can be utilized in different areas of Infigo. So for example, for payment methods, delivery methods like we have here, and for delivery options. So I'm going to click on usage rules next to my chosen delivery method. So in my case, it's going to be fixed rate shipping, and go to usage rules. Towards the bottom of this page, you'll see a section allowing you to define usage rule requirements. In addition, there's an info box providing some additional context on these capabilities. So if I click down on this box, you can see the options that we have available. The drop-down allows you to choose requirement types for your rule, and this can be done against customer roles, categories, product variants, product groups, departments, and select connect plugins as well. Use these options to create rules where the scenario has to match before a particular payment or delivery method will be shown. For example, we'll next create a rule where in order to utilize this delivery method, the user placing the order must have a guest customer role. So I'm going to go to usage requirements by customer roles. Selecting one of those will reveal a couple of additional options, allowing you to configure that particular rule. We have restricts usage. Consider this a general on-off switch. If this is checked, usage is restricted to those matching the specified rules. And then underneath here, we have the customer roles. So in our example, we're looking to type the name of a defined customer role. The required input will differ based on the rule that you're trying to make. For example, creating a rule against a category will require input of the category ID. You can check the tooltip next to the field when creating your rule to see the format of input that they expect. So in our case, I'm just going to type guests, as we want that customer role to be covered by this particular rule. And then I'm going to click on Add New. This will confirm the addition of the rule. Multiple rules can be defined for a single payment method, delivery method, or delivery option if they are required. Infigo provides the ability to choose whether all of these rules need to be met in order for the method to be used, or just one of them. And these are found within your order settings. If we scroll right down to usage requirements, right down at the bottom. So this is split into 3 areas covering delivery options, delivery methods, and payment methods. These are global controls which govern all rules specified in each of these 3 areas. If these settings are not checked, so they're false, then all rules are required to match a scenario before it can be used. If these settings are checked, so true, then only one usage rule needs to match. Once you've chosen the configuration you require, make sure you save the page.